Hey everyone! Today I'm going to make rustic country pumpkins, and I'm going to make them just from some plain old paper bags. The Amazon bags, I'm just going to turn that inside out so I don't have that print on here. Roll up some paper. You could use batting or anything, cloth to fill your pumpkins. It's all right that it's going to be all crumpled. That just adds to the rustic look. Next, I'll twist the top and make a stem out of it, give it a little glue just to secure it. This one, I'm just using some hemp cord and I'm attaching it to the stem first, leaving a little tail so I can tie off at the end. Then I'll just wrap that string around my pumpkin, and I'm going to do it 3 times, each time going around the stem and down a different angle. And it doesn't have to be exact. I mean, pumpkins do not grow all the same in the garden. Now I'll tie that off once I have it all wrapped, and then I'm just going to sort of manipulate the paper pumpkin a little by squeezing between the strings and try to puff that part out a little. Adding a little bit of curly tendrils here with the twine, and I just use I have Mod Podge Stiffy, but you could just use plain Mod Podge or white glue and just let it dry, and it'll give you a nice little curl. I'm just going to give them a dry brushing of white paint, so I'll take most of the paint off my brush and then paint them. I like this. It gives it a nice rustic-y looking. Or you could just leave them plain as well. I just painted the stem a cinnamon brown. You could also use sticks. So you could use a cinnamon stick for your stem instead of using the paper. And you could add other decorations as well. I added a little thankful tag on this one. For this little one, I just made a little rag bow from grunged fabric strips. I'll put a link to my grunge recipe in the description. So I was very pleased with how these turned out. And, that's it. Rustic farmhouse pumpkins made with paper bags you probably already have at home. They're simple, cozy, best of all, basically free. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more do-it-yourself farmhouse decor.